The Strzelecki Ranges in Gippsland, Australia were once covered in a great forest. Trees here could reach up to 100 metres in size. Most notably, a tree stood up to 114.3 metres, making it one of the tallest trees to have ever existed. Almost all of these giant trees were chopped down to make way for farming and for timber. Tarabulga National Park is one of the only patches of remaining forest. So join us as we hike for 2 days through these remnants on a track so seldom trodden with rainforests so rare most people have never heard of it.
Video me.
Why not?
Yeah. I hate them.
There's like 4 of them and they're all biting through my sock.
That's disgusting. Get them off. I don't want to see this.
Oh, it's getting dark.
Yeah.
We've got
What's the time?
45 minutes until the sun goes down. We're about 2.5 k's away from our camp spot, which is a bit of a worry, isn't it, Soph?
Yeah. You'll have to clean it. Jam's delicious.
Oh, it is raining. Well, that concludes the adventure. We hiked for around 22 kilometers through this forest, gaining a good understanding of the good and the bad. I'm currently in the planning stages of a documentary about these giant trees and the widely unknown nature of their existence, so stay tuned if that's something you're interested in. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this short hiking film, and I'll see you in the next video.